Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how you can hide grid lines in Excel. So you can hide grid line in whole Excel or spreadsheet, or you can hide grid line in selected area. So let's start with the video. Before we are going to start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. So let's start with the video. So here we are. This is my sample data, and I'm going to show you how you can hide grid line in Excel. So first I have to make some changes. Okay, so if I want to hide hide grid line in whole spreadsheet or whole Excel, just go to the view tab and you find the showcase show option. In show option you can see the grid line option. Just untick it. When you untick, you can see the grid line has been disappeared and it is removed from Excel for whole worksheet or whole spreadsheet. So if I undo this, and if I want to appear again this, just you have to go and same views show in show, just click grill, so it will be appear. And if you want to remove or hide grid line in particular or selected area, just select the area you want to hide grid line. And now in this case, there is a trick you have to use. Go to the home and find the background color and just click on and select the white color, so you can see the selected grid line has been disappear or hide now. So that is how you can use and you can hide or show grid line in Excel. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.